Hi, hello. For all 5 of you who watched my last video, you'll know that I recently got a new car. Now let me tell you something about this new car. She's beautiful. She's wonderful. I love her. I kinda wanna marry her. And she doesn't have enough miles on her. So today I'm gonna rectify that. And I'm gonna put some miles on this beautiful piece of machinery by driving into the mountains and photographing some waterfalls. Now, I will say, it is currently 5 degrees up in the mountains where I want to go. But it's not snowing, it's not freezing rain, and it's going to be sunny. So, you know what, I'm going to take it. Because honestly, I don't know when I'm going to get another Saturday off again. So I got to take advantage of what I can. And I'm just going to wear a lot of layers and bring some hot cocoa with me. So yeah, that's happening. Let's go to the mountains. Okay, car's packed. Real quick fit check, and then we're going to go. Fleece-lined leggings, warm socks, super warm boots, obnoxiously bright colored hoodie, gaiter, obviously the world's best hat, skeleton gloves, shades, and obviously when I get to the waterfall, I'm gonna wear my Patagonia vest and my crampons, not to be confused with tampons, although I probably should bring some of those. This is my beautiful new car, by the way. Isn't she gorgeous? This is the inside of her. She's so pretty! That was a long drive. I'm sore, but I just got to the first waterfall. And I can hear the water. It is also 4 degrees, which is lovely. Apparently, these temperatures don't deter the snowmobilers around here, because I swear to God, I have seen like 50 people on snowmobiles. They were everywhere. At the gas station, on the lake. Seriously, who the fuck names these things? Do it, bitch. So I just walked all the way down to the waterfall to when I didn't have an SD card in my GoPro. SD card has been secured. Take 2. I don't think you can see it on camera, but the air is so cold that there's steam coming off the water like it's a hot spring, but it's not. I'm gonna try and take photos of the steam because I think that would look cool, but I don't know if it's gonna work. I just soaked my boot, whole foot, up to the shin, into the water. And I didn't bring another pair of boots with me. Well, they're dry now because they're frozen. I guess I'm driving barefoot to my next destination. So I just bought socks because mine are soaked. And I just drove past the other waterfall that I wanted to go to. But unfortunately, I don't think I'm gonna be able to go to it because the only place to park at that trailhead is on the road, but there's snowbanks all along the side of the road. So I'm gonna sit here and eat lunch and warm up my cold foot and then see what I'm gonna do next because I have no idea. New socks. Okay, I think I've decided what I'm gonna do. There's a boat launch I've never been to that I want to go check out. It's a little bit of a drive, but I mean, at this point, all I can really do is drive because my boots are just soaked. So I'm gonna go there and check it out, and hopefully there's some good picture taken there. I think at this point, I'm just doomed. I just got halfway to the boat launch that I wanted to go check out, and there was a car accident in the road, and I couldn't keep driving. I had to turn around. But now I gotta pee, so I'm gonna go to the Stewart's that's up the road, and then I don't know what I'm gonna do. So after way too much driving, I finally found a place to take some pictures. But there's 8 million snowmobiles here. It's just like a pack of snowmobilers. But it is sunset. So I'm gonna try and get some of them golden hour photos.
Take me far away. Take me far